Hi, I'm Dr. Andrew Moore, coming to you from Moore Chiropractic in San Antonio, Texas. You know, one of the things that my patients ask me all the time is, what can I do to stretch out my back muscles? So we're going to go over a couple stretches that would be beneficial for you if you get tight right in the lower back into the hamstrings. So first of all, you want to lay flat on the floor. You're going to bend both legs up. In this first stretch, you're going to grab one leg at a time with both hands and pull it up as far as you can, and you're going to count to 10. After you've counted to 10, you're going to bring it back to the bent knee position. Now, some people go all the way to the floor. This puts too much stress on your back. You want to just bring it to the bent knee position. Do the same thing on the other side. Grab it with both hands, pull it up as far as you can, count to 10. Then bring it back down to the bent knee position. You're going to do this 10 times on each leg. 1, 1, 2, 2, 10 times, okay? The next one helps the hip flexors and also in the back part of your hamstrings. It's called the figure 4 stretch. So you're going to take one foot and put it over the other knee. You're going to grab this leg with both hands and you're going to pull it up as far as you can. Now, some of you can probably barely pull it up off the table, but it's going to stretch this back hamstring into the glutes and also your hip flexors on the side. Okay, again, you hold this one for about 12 to 15 seconds because you're only going to be doing it one time. Relax the leg back down, bring the knee back to bent knee position. Do the same thing on the other side. Foot over your knee, grab this leg with both hands and pull it up as far as you can. Again, she's getting a really good stretch back here through the hamstrings and into her glutes. Okay, then back to the bent knee position. The last one we're going to show actually stretches these muscles right above the glutes, and it's called a double knee to chest stretch. Okay, so you're going to grab both legs. Again, you're starting in the bent knee position. Grab both legs, pull them up as far as you can, and again you count to 10. After 10 seconds, bring the legs back to the bent knee position and stay there for about 10 seconds and do that 10 times. In this last example, I want to show you my favorite stretch. Now, if you're having some low back issues and you have trouble getting up out of a chair or something else, this may not be the stretch for you. You may have to get some treatment first before you can actually do the stretch. But if you're not having back problems and you really want to stretch everything in your back, they did a 10-year study to prove that this is actually the best stretch that you can do for your whole spine. So what you do is you get up as close to a wall as possible, preferably not a door so that somebody might come through the other side. You start in this position, you go back and flip your legs around so that your butt is right up against the wall that you're on and your knees are slightly bent. Now, the important part of this stretch is that your back is flat on the ground and your bottom is up against the wall. Now, you can start to stretch your knees or extend your knees out and have your legs straight if you want to, but as soon as you feel your back coming off the floor, then you've gone too far. So for me, this is the perfect position. My back is flat on the floor, my bottom is right up against the wall. You want to stay in this position for a minimum of 7 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. They did this study and they proved that your muscles relax in groups. One set of muscles relax and the next one, the next one. So it takes a minimum of 7 minutes for your muscles to relax. After 10 minutes, they start to tighten back up. I hope this is helpful for you. And if you are having some low back issues, then you need to seek a chiropractor or somebody to help you with those back issues before you do this particular stretch.